What is going up, guys? Welcome back to the best day trading, investing, money management channel on YouTube. If you guys are new to the team and you guys like investing, if you guys like money management, if you guys like the stock market trading, I would recommend subscribing down below. Click that little red button that says subscribe and turn those notifications on. We talk about it all here on this channel. But in today's episode, we're going to be talking about why the Dow Jones has fallen and what to do. Pretty much we all know what the Dow Jones is. The Dow Jones is just the general stock market, and this determines if the overall stock market's going up, down, consolidating, going this way. We don't know what to do, but now today it has fallen over 730 points. That is over 2.7%. It is down. So pretty much, guys, if you had $1,000, you are down roughly $27 in your account. Now you might be thinking, Carter, that's only $27, but imagine if you had $10,000 or $100,000 or possibly $1 million, like retirement. Now this could be a lot of money. Now what should you do? Now most people in this financial market, or that are kind of clueless on the stock market, they might be saying, Carter, sell it all. Sell everything that you have in the stock. It's going down. It's falling. You're screwed. You can't do anything about it. And in some cases, yeah, it's good to cut your losses and really ride the wave of the winners. But let's say this is your retirement. This is the general stock market. The general stock market goes up roughly 10% per year. In some cases, it has fallen down more than 32% in a single year, only to rebound another 44%. In 2008, we had one of the worst financial crises of all time. Now, the Dow Jones was literally down, anywhere from 30 to 45% in 2008 March time. March was the worst the stock market has ever seen, only to turn around in 2009 for record gains. One of the best ways to make money is to get in at these low prices. Pretty much, the great Warren Buffett has said, when the market has fallen, it is a fire sale for all of your stocks. Now imagine if you had wanting to buy a Ferrari. That Ferrari was, let's say, $500,000. Now let's say that Ferrari is the stock market. The stock market is generally going up, so it's getting more expensive. But imagine there was, a certain time when it went, price used to be $500,000. Now it is $100,000. Now most people would think, buy it. It's the cheapest it's going to be. So pretty much, just to kind of talk about it, guys, the best time to create wealth for yourself is when people are selling their assets. Now what that's going to do is it's just going to keep falling. So you're going to be getting in at the peak bottoms of all of these. I myself keep cash aside waiting for downfalls like this. I'm not going to go all in, because if that's it continues to fall, I'm going to buy some more. If it continues to fall, I'm going to buy some more. The Dow Jones is a general representation of the stock market. And the S&P 500, my index that I bought literally maybe 5 days ago, is already down 3% or so. And that is kind of a lot of money, and I'm kind of upset about it. But at the same time, I'm thinking, well, I have cash aside. I'm going to buy some more, put my moving average down, my average price down, so when the stock market turns a little rebound, I am going to be making a lot more money than if I would just, buy in. Just always buy in or sell my shares. You miss 100% of the shots you never take. And I think that is very crucial to the stock market, because if you never want to invest, if you think, oh my God, it's going down, 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 you're going to always miss out on these sales. And the moral of the story is, I think if I were you guys, I would be getting ready for a downfall, even though it's already down. The S&P 500 is down 2.7. The NASDAQ is down 3.08. The Dow Jones is down 2.74. So that is kind of a lot of money. And I would just get ready to buy. I'm going to be buying a lot, guys. I'm going to be buying everything that I can buy because I am an investor and I want to make some money for myself. But that is it, though. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. The moral of the video, buy. Don't freak out when the stock market's going down. Don't sell your assets. You know, maybe some of them you can move around, sell a little bit just to move your risk down. Don't sell them all. That would be a stupid thing to do. And if your financial advisor tells you, oh, we're going to sell all of your assets and we're going to wait for this to calm down, say, listen, I'm going to buy more because these are going to be the best prices that I'm going to get. So that is it, though. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. And if you did, drop a subscribe down below. Remember to always stay happy, stay positive, and we'll see you guys tomorrow in another episode. Take care, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.